I'm Gene Chilton. This is Alan Byers, and we're the owners of Timberwolf Land Clearing and Field Services.
We run currently right now, we run the 2670 Prentice Mulcher with the 200U attachment head from FAE. We also run a 2864C with the 250U head as well. We run them in heavy timber, we've run them in wet ground, we've run them in the hillsides. We don't lose nothing in southeastern Oklahoma where you're running into the mountains. They can still handle the rock and not just beat them to death. On this style tooth, the 200U, we're actually, I would say, average about 800 hours to a set of teeth. We're very happy with the FAE product as a company as a whole.
We've actually, with FAE, we've been running probably well in excess of 10 years with other companies. But from the first new machine we bought, approximately 4 years ago, it had FAE head, and everything we've bought since has had FAE head. We've been in the industry for well over 10 years now, and about 4 years ago, Alan and I were working together, kind of tired of having other people control every move we made, so we got together and decided to start our own company, kind of play a niche in the market that's not covered real well. A lot of companies want to be great big or they want to stay small. We're kind of in between. We can handle big jobs, but we also do a lot of small jobs as well.
I guess our area of coverage would be Texas. We do lots in Texas, south, east, west, clear into New Mexico. We do a lot of work, Oklahoma, Kansas, Louisiana, a little bit in Arkansas. This is actually, it is a residential project. We do a lot of landowner, and that's where it goes back to where we can do smaller projects as well. We can handle the big jobs because we have the equipment, but we can also diversify and do small projects with 1 to 2 mulchers like you see behind us. And we can pile them together and do one large project.
Well, I think, one of the biggest challenges in the industry, everybody wants to think everything's easy, and these machines, they require a lot of maintenance and people taking good care of them. We've been in the industry where we've had people who didn't take care of them, and we felt the force of what they can do to them. We've been very fortunate. We've got a lot of good people working for us. Alan, manages the field, and he makes sure they understand these machines are our living, and we've got to keep them running in order to make a living. So it's important on how you take care of them.
We're really excited with the FAE head as a whole. The greatest production that we've found in a mulching head.